Hey guys, Mike Potts with Lakeshore RV. We're looking at the Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 287 bunkhouse today. Sale price on this is $45,975. You're probably looking at about $400 a month for qualified buyers. I can be reached at 231-215-2750. That's call or text. Store is 231-788-2040, or our website, of course, is lakeshore-rv.com. Just gonna go over some of the many features on this camper. Up front, your spare tire and your battery storage. You're gonna have a 20-pound propane tank on either side. You're also going to have a full pass-through with a motion light in there. You're also gonna have a leash latch. Now, the underbelly of this camper is enclosed. You do have forced heat to it for that extended camping season. Solid steps, they're gonna fold back into the camper. They're a much safer option. Down here, we're gonna have a 2-burner stovetop, little sink basin, ice maker, mini fridge, and we have some more storage back here. This unit does have a tankless hot water heater, so for those who'd like to take the longer showers, perfect camper for you. Travel rack holds up to 200 pounds of coolers, bikes, generators, whatever you may have. We have an outdoor shower with hot and cold water. Your slide is a cable slide in this unit. Very nice slide. Exhaust on the non-camping side, that's where you want it. Also, you're gonna have your docking station with your lights, your fresh, your cable satellite, city, and black tank flush. We have electronic leveling in this, and this is a 50 amp cord. This is a 50 amp camper. Fiberglass front cap with a high gloss automotive paint wrapped around your stress points there. Let's check out the inside. Okay, so now we're inside of the camper. Right here we have kind of your kitchen area, farm style sink, removable faucet. Lots of storage in this camper, as you can see. Microwave, oven, your 3-burner stovetop. You do get a larger fridge and freezer in this model. This is a spot where you can put about a 43-inch television, fireplace beneath it, storage overhead, and that of course faces your trifold sofa sleeper and your U-shaped dinette. Now the U-shaped dinette does have some gigantic storage drawers, and there's 2 of them. We're gonna go back to the back of this camper where you actually have some additional sleeping. These are big, full-size beds. You can sleep adults on them. It's a 300-pound bunk bed capacity, and we have closet and some more storage. We also have under storage for boots, flip-flops, all that kind of stuff. We're gonna move up to the front of the camper here. We have a coat rack, USB ports throughout. That is your fuse box. Nice big bathroom with a big shower, porcelain toilet, nice vanity, and there is some storage room, plenty of it in there. Up to the front bedroom, we're gonna have 2 of these. Nice spot to fold your clothes. Each side's gonna have a little drawer in the nightstand. And then we do have wardrobe over here where you can actually hang a bunch of stuff, and a spot for a television. Underneath this bed, we're gonna have some more storage. Quite a bit of it. Guys, thank you for watching. Again, Mike Potts, Lakeshore RV, 231-215-2750. Call or text. Thank you so much.